Hello, some news from the U.S. Supreme Court. Corner crossing remains legal in Wyoming. I'm WyoFile reporter Angus Thurmer, here to tell you about a story that broke Monday morning. The Supreme Court took a quick look at the corner crossing case and decided it would not hear an appeal. That's correct. You're right to cross from one piece of public property to another, or they adjoin at a corner like that, is cemented in the court decision. The decision affects about 2.4 million acres in the checkerboard area of Wyoming and similar land in Colorado, Utah, New Mexico, Kansas, and Oklahoma. The case involved 4 Missouri hunters, including fence builder Brad Cape, who did his own preliminary legal research, who corner-crossed to hunt on public land on wildlife-rich Elk Mountain in Carbon County. The problem is that a guy named Fred Eshelman, a North Carolina resident, owns the Elk Mountain Ranch, which surrounds about 11,000 acres of public property. Eshelman is a hunter, and he asserted that corner crossing is trespassing, even though the Show Me Boys never set foot on his private property. They only passed through the airspace above his land. He sued them, lost twice, and asked the Supreme Court to consider his appeal. It said no. I talked to Hunter Brad Cape this morning, and he said, "We never thought, not one time, that we were doing something wrong." I talked to Cape's attorney, Ryan Semerad, and he put the case in perspective. Public lands are held in trust for all Americans, not just the landed, the powerful, and the wealthy. There still may be a few who treat public lands like they're private kingdoms, Semerad said. And I'll quote what he said about that. But every time they do that, they are cutting against American tradition and history, and they're going to lose, and there's going to be a way to beat them. You can read the complete story on WyoFile.com, along with 70 other stories about corner crossing if you're so inclined. And as always, let us know what you think.